Hepatitis B amadi C hairiba laina makhal Asi Karamba Makhalgi Lainano Haibasi Meepum Tingna khang-hanba Tangaiphade haina Regional Institute of Medical Sciences Imphal gi Director Professor G Sunil Kumar Sharma na phongdokkhre wafam asi malem gi mafam kayada pangthokna bagum RIMS gi General OPD block ta pangthokpa World Hepatitis Day Thoramda Mahana phongdokhibane RIMS Imphal na sinduna pangthokpa Thoramaduda Professor G Sunil Kumar Sharma hai ngasi malem gi mafam kayada World Hepatitis Day gi thoram pangthoknari thoram asi karigi pangthoklibano haibasi aikoi puna khangminaba ama changi chronic disease ambo oiriba hepatitis B amadi C hepatitis makhal singdagi khara hena sathiba yoibagi punsi manghanba ngamba laina amani maramaduna hairiba laina makhal ani asi aikoina nganna khanghaunaba panaba amadi matam chana layeng hoba yamna magtangaifade handak chaygi timoiriba it's time for action asi ngasidagi hekta hauna bohonasi hainasu mahakna makha taki.
Every year, about 11 to 12 lakhs hepatitis B is being added as a burden to the society. Just imagine one family which may not be very well to do have this B or C, and that family is bound to have that economic sort of situation. So I think I repeat at the end, like as a healthcare worker, as a unit, as a team, we all need to fight this disease so that we reach the target of 2030. By then, the WHO is trying to eradicate most of the dangerous disease in the society, including HIV, hepatitis B, C, tuberculosis B. So 2030 not very far away, and for that is time for action.
Ngasigi Tawramaduga Mari Lainana Hepatitis B amadi C gi free screening program amusu pangthoki Tawramaduda RIMS ki Medical Superintendent Professor N Sanjeev Din Academic Professor Brogan Singh Akoisam Microbiology ki HOD Professor K.S. Ranjana Medicine ki HOD Professor C.H. Dhananjoy NVHCP ki State Nodal Officer Dr. R.K. Rosie amadi MTC ki Nodal Officer Professor K. Romeo Susar Yaki.